Welcome to Cnc Pathlab, a high-end clinical laboratory providing next-generation patient care experience. We strive to be your trusted health partner by providing accurate, high-quality, timely and easily accessed reports. Our pathology lab is fully automated with state-of-the-art equipment, provides a wide range of routine and specialized tests and focuses on quality care of patients. Our lab centers around providing speedy healthcare solutions with its multifaceted diagnostic, report review and expert consultation services, all at a single tap of the finger. Visit us for a consumer-friendly experience that's more efficient and time-saving. With high-quality diagnostics and formative resources, enjoy a high level of accuracy and comfort and get your reports anytime and anywhere. Experience ease and convenience in diagnostics like never before. Visit Cnc Pathlab today.